Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the AutoCut in CapCut Mobile to edit your videos. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut and the AutoCut is on the CapCut homepage. So here you can just click on expand and this is the AutoCut. So by using the AutoCut, you'll just need to choose your videos and then CapCut will find the right template to fit into the video. So let's try. I'm going to add these three. Click on next. Now CapCut will analyzing the clip and just wait and it will load the effects, and here you can just select the templates that you think fits or you like the best. So this is one of the option. If you don't like with this one, you can just select the other one. For example, here you can also select from the category like video, beat, for example, and just select the other templates that you want to use if you want to. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.